Welcome to DICloak. Today, we'll learn how to use RPA to automatically scrape video information from TikTok. This template helps you quickly collect video data under specific keywords. First, go to the Profiles section. Open the profile you want to run this RPA on. Open the TikTok platform. Make sure this profile has already logged into a TikTok account. The login session will remain valid for a certain period until the cookies expire. Once you've confirmed the login is working, we can start configuring the RPA. In the left navigation bar, click Create RPA. Filter the template list by TikTok. Find the template named TikTok, scrape video information and click Apply. Next, select the profiles you want to run. You can choose just one or select multiple. If you choose multiple, they will automatically run one after another in order. After selection, go to the task settings. Here, you need to enter the search keyword for the videos. Then set the number of video results you want to scrape. Next, move on to the run rules. You can set a timeout. If a profile stays open longer than this value, it will be automatically closed. If left blank, no limit will be applied. The execution mode can only be set to local. This means your computer must stay awake and the DICloak software must remain running throughout the entire process. If you shut down or lock your screen, the task will fail. You can also choose to run once, repeat multiple times, or set a recurring schedule. Once everything is configured, click Run Now to start. The RPA will automatically open profiles, search for your keyword and scrape the video information. You can see the live status here. After the scraping is complete, a table file containing the video data will be automatically downloaded. This file is usually saved in your computer's default download folder. If you can't find it, you can reopen the profile. Then check the download path in the browser settings. That's the full workflow for scraping TikTok video information using DICloak RPA. If you find this feature helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. If you need custom RPA workflows, please contact DICloak technical support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.